Hi friends, welcome to my channel RP Maths Tricks. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise 7.1 for coordinate geometry. So, exercise 7.1. What is the first question here? Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Here 2 points are given. That is, first one is the 2, 3 and second one is the 4, 1. Now we have to find out the distance between those 2 points. Already we are discussing for the distance between the 2 points. What is that? Square root of x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we have to take the 2 points. A is 2, 3 and B is 4, 1. This is the point of x1, y1 and this is the point of x2, y2. Now we have to substitute the formula x2. x2 here, what is the value for x2? 4. x2 minus, what is the formula for x1 is the 2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 and 1. 1 minus 3 whole square. So here 4 minus 2, 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3. So minus 2 whole square. That equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4. What we will get? Root 8. Root 8 we have to write down 2 square root 2 now. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So root 8 we have to write down like this. This is the distance between those 2 points. Understood? Next, second one. Second points are minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. This is the x1, y1 and this is the x2, y2. Now we have to find out the distance between those 2 points. AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula for distance between those 2 points. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we have to substitute the values for x1 y1 and x2 y2. So here what is the value for x2? x2 is here minus 1 and here minus is there now, that's why you have to write down here minus. And x1, what is the value for x1? Here minus 5. Minus 5 is the value for x1. Whole square is there now, that's why you have to write down here whole square plus, and what is the value for y2? y2 is here 3. 3 minus, what is the value for y1? y1 is here 7 whole square. Square root of minus 1, minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. So minus 1 plus 5, what we will get here? 4 whole square minus 4, we will have to write down here 4 square. So 4 4s are 16 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 16, what we will get here? 32. So in that 32 we have to write down 4 root 2. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. That's why here I have to write down here 4 root 2. This is the second one. And what is the third one? Next, third question. What is the third one? The given points are minus 2, minus 3 and 3, 2. This is the 2 points are given here. So now we have to find out the distance of AB. What is the formula for distance between 2 points? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is the x1 and y1, x2, y2. Now we have to substitute for values for x1, y1, x2, y2. Now what is the value for x2 here? 3. Minus is there, that's why I have to write down here minus. What is the value for x1? Minus 2. So I have to write down here minus 2. Whole square is there, that's why I have to write down whole square, plus what is the value for y2? Here 2. 2 minus what is the value for y1? y1 is minus 3. That's why I have to write down here minus 3 and whole square is there, that's why I have to write down here whole square. So 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. 3 plus 2, 5 whole square is there, that's why I have to write down 5 square. 3 plus 2, 5 whole square is right, whole square. So 5 5s are 25 plus 5 5s are 25. So what we will get here? 50. I have to write down 5 root 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50. So this is the third one. And what is the fourth one? What is the fourth one? A comma B and minus A comma minus B. This is the 2 points are given here, A comma B and minus A comma B. This is the x1 and this is the y1 and this is the x2, y2. Now we have to find out the distance of AB. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So now we have to substitute the values for x1, y1 and x2, y2. Here x2. What is the value for x2 here? Minus a. Minus what is the value for x1 here? A. So whole square plus y2. What is the value for y2 here? Minus b. Minus already is there. That's why I have to here minus y1. What is the y1 value? B. Whole square. So minus a minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. Here write down 4a square plus 4b square. Now I have to common here 4 a square plus b square. Root 4 means here 2 na. 2 root of a square plus b square. This is the value for distance between those 2 points. Here given a comma b and minus a comma minus b. 2 points are given here. Now I have to find out the distance between those 2 points of AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now we have to substitute the values for x1, y1 and x2, y2 values. Here x2 value is minus a and minus is there, that's why I have to write down here minus. What is the x1 value here? A. I have to substitute it here a whole square plus y2 minus b minus y1 minus b whole square. Square root of minus a minus 2a whole square plus minus b minus 2b whole square. Square root of 2 2s are 4, a into square, a square, 4a square plus 4b square. Square root of 4 I have to comment here 4, a square plus b square. What is the root value for 4? 2. 2 root of a square plus b square. This is the distance between those 2 points. This is the first one. And what is the second question? What is the second question for exercise 7.1? Second question is find the distance between the points 0, 0, and 36, 15. 36, 15. So tomorrow class we will discuss for this second problem. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.